The AIRMEIMEI Stick Welder 210A is equipped with a synergic control system that simplifies the welding process by automatically adjusting current and voltage, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. This versatile welding machine is compatible with a wide range of rods, including popular options like E6010 and E7018, providing flexibility for various welding tasks. Featuring a large LED display, the welder allows for easy monitoring and adjustments, ensuring precise control over your welding settings without needing to remove your helmet. The built-in hot arc ignition, anti-sticking, and VRD functions contribute to excellent welding performance with strong power, fast speed, and aesthetically pleasing welds. With an adjustable welding output ranging from 20 to 210 amperes, this portable machine can handle different materials, including mild and stainless steel, while maintaining arc stability. Safety is a top priority with the AIRMEIMEI Stick Welder, as it comes with multiple protective features and has passed rigorous professional tests backed by a 2-year warranty.